Big Jacob. Yeah, looking good. Hey, hello. Yes, I'm on my way right now. I'm about to be there.
Yeah, you better be.
I'm here.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. I don't got much time. My time is precious. I'm in the alleyway. If you have half a brain, you'll be able to find me. Capiche?
Hey, kid, come over here. Hurry up. I don't got much time. Look, I'm gonna make this snappy because I don't got much time. Professor Cyberhead's going crazy with power. His clone army took out 17 of my guys last week. I'm gonna need you to go in there and kill him and send him a message. Here's a key card that'll gain you access to his cryo room. And oh yeah, don't forget this. It's a cyber cannon. It's the only thing that'll take Dr. Cyberhead down.
All right. Okay, I'm going.